Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create AI workflows in Google AI Studio in 2026. If you want to automate repetitive tasks and build more efficient AI-powered processes, this guide will walk you through the basics step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to Google AI Studio using your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, create a new prompt or project to begin building your workflow. Next, choose a Gemini model that fits your task. Think about the sequence of steps you want the AI to perform, such as analyzing text, generating content, summarizing information, or producing structured output. Now write a detailed prompt that clearly explains each step of the workflow. Include the goal, required inputs, expected output, and any formatting instructions so the AI can follow the process consistently. Next, click Run or Generate to test your workflow. Review the results carefully and adjust your prompt if any step doesn't produce the expected output. If you're integrating the workflow into your own application, create an API key from the API section and use the provided sample code to connect your app with Google AI Studio. Continue testing with different examples to make sure your workflow produces reliable and consistent results for a variety of inputs. Finally, save your completed prompt or project so you can reuse and improve your AI workflow whenever needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create AI workflows in Google AI Studio step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.